Hi, hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, really helps the content. We go traveling all around the world, showing you what you can do, what there is, beaches, bars, nightlife, excursions, the whole lot. And at the moment, we are in Marmaris, Turkey, Icmeler. So let's see Wagwan. You know the vibe.
Can I say hi?
Yeah, of course you can.
Come with the mic, sir.
Hello to everyone. You are more than welcome to Icmeler area. We have a lovely places here. If you want to come join us, please give us a try. You will really enjoy it.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Which channel is it?
It's called Wagwan Tours.
Okay, you're more than welcome here. Very nice to meet you. My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you,
Thank
Jack.
you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. You too.
Thank you.
Here goes. That was the Bam Beach.
Bam, bam.
Bam Bam.
Yes, guys, I'm ready. We're getting in the video.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Ibiza Beach, highly recommended place in the town.
Yeah.
All cocktails are buy one get one free in here. We don't use any fake alcohol at all. It's really important, guys.
Yeah.
Look at the place, most popular and most delicious restaurant. And also the next door of this, Coco Beach, is also our restaurant, guys.
Okay.
Both of them is our restaurant. Also, there is highly recommended and highly quality.
Thank
If you have
you.
time, you should pop in for a night drink with us. Definitely.
Will do. And you got the
Also, our beach is also free.
Yeah.
We don't charge anything from the sunbed. There is free beach, free sunbed.
Yeah.
You have a shower, change room, toilet, Wi-Fi, everything included, guys.
thank
Let me
you.
pass you my card.
Yeah.
Whenever you come here, we will look after you as like a base, guys.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, guys.
Cheers. Thank you. Have a good day. Ooh, sorry.
Oh my God.
Didn't notice the little tiniest dog in the world. I like the sunflowers. Very pretty. Wow, that's nice. Very nice. Coco Beach. So I have noticed the water is a lot clearer this end from where we're staying. Look at all the views that you have as well. So this is our first time to this little area, and we walked here today. You can also get like taxi boat, obviously you can get the bus, taxi, normal taxi, or you can take a nice little bike ride and everything. This one looks nice, the little gardens. More like villas and apartments. I don't know if they're rentable, if they're owned. Look like they've got roof terraces as well, don't they? I'm not sure, but it looks good. Really family-friendly place as well, as you can see. If you don't want to get a sunbed, you can just get a towel, a nice picnic blanket, and sit with the family. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's a little bit windy because we are walking along the seafront. So we're coming up to Ibiza Beach here. It's got the nice little heart on it. Again, right on the beachfront. You go, happy hours, all cocktails. Bottle F's only 149. So 50 lira to £1. It's taken me a while to get used to that because I'm used to euros. So just obviously keep an eye on that because it does change depending on what the currency exchange rate is. Sunset Beach, nice bit of giraffes there. Again, nice little sun trap. Yeah.
Have a drink with us?
Oh, we're okay, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Little cafe, sunset cafe. Guessing you can see the sunset then. Oh, nice cakes there. We did try some strawberries earlier. They were like fresh strawberries and they were so incredibly sweet and just probably the best tasting strawberry I've ever tasted. So I might have a daiquiri tonight, strawberry daiquiri, because if it's made with anything like I just tasted, it'll be gorgeous. Cafe Savas. Hello. Somewhere to get a coffee, cake, enjoy the sunshine and the beautiful views. Really nice. Again, really big hotels along this bit. Where we're staying, it's obviously still big hotels, but there's a lot more bars and restaurants. I've noticed this side, Icmeler, there's a lot more massive sort of resorts and gated, a little bit more security, so you've got a bit more privacy, which is quite nice. And the oceans are quite pretty. Ah, look at that as we're going forward. Beautiful mountain, really green. Lifeguard stations are nice and safe if you are coming with kids and you're a little concerned. They do have loads of those dotted along, which is perfect. Some places aren't fully opened yet, but most of them are. What's this one coming up here? Looks like a hotel bar, that one looks like. Some of these you can't get into unless you are part of the complex, some you can. So some are a little bit exclusive. And again, then most of them, the hotel, resorts, beach bars all come with the sun lounges. That's the bus I was talking about, just see it over there. There you go. Right, so it looks like we're coming up to a bit of a main road. First time here, so which way are we going to go, left or right? Left, we're going left. We're good, thank you. Hi. Oh no, we're good, thank you. Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, we haven't done a boat trip, but we have got a few videos, so do look out for that. Just showing all the options and the boats. We went along the marina in Marmaris and they all seem really good value. And again, they've got a bit of everything for anyone, depending on your group size, what you're into. There's some boats that were quiet, so no music if you just want to completely chill out. And then they have the complete opposite if you want to just party. They've got midnight boats as well, so you can sort of do the nightlife. And then they've got ones for like family, kids. So yeah, really good variety. A little, oh, that's gorgeous. Right, let's keep going. Again, a lot of them offer free Wi-Fi as well. Depending on who you're with, if you're coming from the UK, obviously a lot of the networks won't work with the roaming. So I would advise if you're coming for a really long time looking into getting a SIM card, unfortunately, we're only here for a few days, so there wasn't really any need for that. So we just connect all the Wi-Fi. But just something to bear in mind. That looks nice, doesn't it? If you haven't been here before. Dennis Cap, I'm going to stop trying to pronounce it. But yeah, nice little chilled restaurant. Homemade cider at this one. There you go, 250 lira. So that would be £5 at the moment. Oh, look at the little doggies. They're a big YouTube star. A lot of them offer a full English breakfast as well. So we've got this one here, Liberty. Don't think this one's open, might be open in the evening. Might be part of the hotel, so it might be open later. So yeah, a lot of these seem a little bit more quieter, so they'll probably be open later, or they're getting ready. Oh, it's got like a little Vespa. Don't know if that's part of the decoration or someone's just parked it. Hello. Got a nice little upstairs bit so you can see the views, that's nice. There you go, large draft Turborg, $99.99. That is the cheapest. Yeah. What's the food? Food is good. So yeah, it's really good prices. That is, yeah, definitely probably the cheapest we've seen so far. So you got this one here. I don't know if this one's open. It's nice ice cream. So, Turkia's Beach Bistro. Very calming music. Nice little seating area to lounge. So we managed to find so far the cheapest spear in Marmaris. We're in Icmeler, and it is a large draft, so draft, not bottle, $99.99, which in UK money is about £2 sterling. So yeah, it's really good. And then look at the views and everything that you've got. When you buy a drink, you also have the sunbeds that you can use. It comes with free Wi-Fi. Usually you get your own sort of like somewhere to change. You've got access to toilet, little shower. So yeah, really, really good price. And you got the bottled for 130 and the bottled Turborg for 130 as well. So yeah, really, really good price. There we go. Cheapest so far.
Dungeon.
Dungeon, there you go. So Dungeon is the cheapest one we found so far. Right, so that was a little walk along Icmeler, the waterfront, the main promenade. Lots of restaurants, lots of bars and things to do. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already part of the Wagwan family, and I'll see you on the next one.